can operate as a conventional motor coil, meaning that it receives power from a battery or a source, the grid, in order to work as a motor. It has the ability to work as a conventional motor and perform positive work, have mechanical output as its output. It has the ability to work as a motor coil without externally supplied energy. And it has the ability to operate as a conventional generator coil, or in an EV, a conventional regenerative braking coil. And finally, it has the ability to operate as a regenerative acceleration generator coil, in that it provides power to an EV's batteries while performing positive work and increasing the kinetic energy of the EV without externally supplied input power. And finally, the ReGenX coils have the ability to harness the electromagnetic field energy that's created in the coils that are adjacent to them. They have the ability to harness that created electromagnetic field energy in concert with the magnetic field energy that would be supplied by the generator's rotor, rotating magnetic field. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And in the comments section, what I'll do is I will put some videos with regards to conventional generator operation and the load current delay that allows the ReGenX generator to generate electricity without any mechanical input power at infinite efficiency, and they'll be clearly labeled. And I'll put some other videos with regards to the ReGenX motor patent that has a flyback circuit in it, so that it provides mechanical output power, but also generates electricity at the same time. So check out the description box and you'll see some of the other videos. That's it. Cheers for now.